Hi guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I am making this brow tutorial. Not that anyone needs another brow tutorial, right? But I'm doing this really as a reference for my other videos that I'm going to be doing on makeup looks and eyeshadow looks and things like that, so that I don't have to do my brows in those videos. I can just start off with my brows done already. So yeah, if you want to see how I do my brows, then keep watching. So the first thing I like to do is just to comb my brows to shape them a little bit. I use this very simple eyebrow pencil by MUA. It's very well used, as you can see, and it has a little brush on the end. So I like to use the little brush on the end to just shape my brows first. And then using the pencil, I'm going to draw a line under the brows. All the way to the end. And then I'll do the same on this side as well. And I'm just going to do upward strokes to fill in my brows in all the areas where I have gaps, because I do have a gap here that there's not really a lot of hair. Next, I'm using this Color Lash mascara by Collection. I get this from Boots or Superdrug. It's about £2.99, and I use this to set my brows and also add a little bit more color. So this also helps to even out those pencil strokes that I did earlier, and also fill in that gap I have in the corner. Next, I'm taking an angled liner brush and my MAC Pro Longwear concealer in the shade NC45. This is a shade or so lighter than my foundation shade. I think it's a couple of shades lighter. Yeah, I'd say a couple. Oh, maybe a few more. So for this, you want to use a highly pigmented concealer, which is very creamy, but also not too difficult to blend. So I'm just doing these downward strokes, dragging the concealer down just to blend it so I don't have a harsh line. And then to make it look even more blended, I'm going to take this at an angle and just sweep it across like that. So that just brings the color down a little bit more so that it doesn't look as harsh and thin at the top. I do try and do one clean stroke, but it doesn't always work out. It's pretty good. I'm just bringing it down to blend it a bit. Sweep. To even things out, and then taking a thick eyeshadow blending brush, I'm just going to sweep the bottom just to blend that a bit more so it doesn't look too crazy. For the top of my brows, I don't use my concealer shade. I actually use my foundation. And this is because I want to avoid having that halo effect where you have concealer sitting on top of your brows. It looks really weird and awkward. So using a foundation, your foundation shade will stop that from happening. So I do this in steps. I do the first line there, and then I'm going to do another one coming down the corner here. Get this hair out of the way, like so. Then I'm blending that outward as well, just the same way I did for the bottom. And then when I get to that corner, I'm just going to round it off like so, and that's it. I'm doing the same for the other side. And then coming down on this side, and then rounding off that top. And then going back to that blending brush, I'm going to blend the top as well. Okay, so that's it for my brows. As you can see, they look alright. They're not too bad, they're not too thick, they're not too dark. You don't need to have super expensive products to have nice eyebrows. Okay, I did use like the MAC Pro Longwear concealer, but you can use any other concealer. I used my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and that works pretty well as well. So, you know, brows don't have to be super expensive. You don't need a fancy brow pomade or a fancy eyebrow pencil to have nice brows. You can use a £1 brow pencil and still have really cute, really nice brows. So yeah, it's really just about technique, and you can have nice brows for less. Yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments or leave something on my blog. I will have all the product details. I'll have all the product details in the description box and also on my blog. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.